You think you're doing everything right for your health. But what if I told you there's something on your kitchen counter, probably in a clear plastic bottle, that is actively undermining your brain function every single day? We're not just talking about a minor health tip here. This is about a widespread industrial agent that is sabotaging your mind.
So let's just cut straight to the chase. What if that cheap cooking oil, the one that's been aggressively marketed to you for decades as heart healthy, is actually an unstable industrial toxin? And what if that very substance is causing rampant oxidation? I mean, literally causing your brain cells to rust from the inside out.
Now, to really grasp the stakes here, you have to understand the hardware we're working with, your brain. Nearly 60% of its physical weight is pure fat. Your brain is built from fat, and that's not a design flaw, it's a critical feature of high-performance human biology.
I want you to think of your brain as the ultimate biological supercomputer. It's a high-performance engine that needs the absolute best fuel to build and maintain its lightning-fast neural pathways. The kind of fat you eat isn't just some minor detail on a nutrition label. It is the fundamental building block of your thoughts, your memory, your focus, everything.
So who are the culprits? Who are these imposters? We are talking about industrial seed oils. Canola, sunflower, soybean, you know the ones. Let's be very clear, these are not food. They are industrial products that have wormed their way into our food supply, and they pose a direct, ongoing threat to your cognitive performance.
To even make these oils, they have to be subjected to extreme heat. They're bleached with industrial chemicals, and then extracted using solvents like hexane, which, by the way, is a known neurotoxin. This brutal, nasty process makes their molecular structure incredibly unstable and highly reactive the moment they get inside your body.
And what's the direct biological consequence of all that? Well, when you eat these oils, you are just flooding your system with volatile free radicals. This quote on the screen puts it perfectly. It's like unleashing microscopic shrapnel that tears through your bloodstream, directly attacking the delicate fatty membranes of your brain cells.
This process actually has a scientific name, oxidative stress. It's the biochemical mechanism of rust. And just like rust eats away at solid steel, oxidative stress degrades your cells, especially the fat-based cells that make up your brain. Your cognitive engine is literally corroding.
The immediate result of that corrosion? Neuroinflammation. Oxidative stress kicks off this chronic, low-grade inflammation deep inside your brain. Now, this isn't like the inflammation you feel in a sprained ankle. No, this is a silent, internal fire that shows up as that relentless brain fog, that slow processing speed, that feeling that you're just not as sharp as you used to be. It's prematurely aging your most vital organ.
So, this is the crucial point, right? The solution is not to go low-fat. That is an outdated and frankly dangerous myth. The real solution requires a complete paradigm shift in how you think about fat. The goal, the only goal, is lipid stability.
Look, the choice you have could not be more clear. It's black and white. On one side, you've got the industrial imposters, unstable, reactive, pro-inflammatory fuel that degrades your neural tissue. On the other side, you've got high-quality fats, stable, clean, structural materials that literally rebuild it. This is a choice between fuel that causes rust and materials that actually repair the engine.
Okay, enough with the problem. Let's get to the protocol. This is your 3-step, non-negotiable plan to take back control of your brain chemistry. And you can start today, right now.
The protocol is simple and it's direct. Number 1, you purge the toxins. Number 2, you upgrade your fuel source. And number 3, you bring in a specialized biological team to repair the damage that's already been done. Let's break down each of these non-negotiable steps.
Step 1 is the pantry purge. And listen, this is not a negotiation. I want you to go into your kitchen, find every single clear plastic bottle of canola, soybean, sunflower, or generic vegetable oil and throw it directly into the trash. No exceptions, no compromises. You have to stop the assault of new free radicals immediately.
All right, step 2, the lipid upgrade. You're going to replace those toxic oils with a new toolkit of molecularly stable, heat-resistant fats. We're talking about pure extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and grass-fed ghee. These provide the premium structural lipids your brain is crying out for to physically rebuild itself.
And finally, step 3 is the omega-3 rescue. A therapeutic dose of high-quality omega-3s, specifically EPA and DHA, acts like a biological fire extinguisher. It actively crosses the blood-brain barrier to shut down that existing neuroinflammation and repair the structural damage to your neurons.
By executing this protocol, you've stopped the rust. Your brain is now running on clean, premium, stable fuel. You have fortified your internal biology. But here's the thing, protecting yourself from what you put in your mouth is only half the battle.
Because right this second, there's another threat. An invisible, digital toxin that is silently depleting your dopamine baseline and physically rewiring your brain waves, all through the very screen you're staring at.
In our next explainer, we are going to break down the ultimate protocol to defend your mind against digital burnout and reclaim your pure, undivided focus. Trust me, you are not going to want to miss it.